So hello everyone. Actually this could be the last lecture on Euclid division lemma, and from the next lecture we are going to start other topic. And if you want solution of any specific problem on Euclid division lemma or anything, do one thing: go to the home, go to my channel, and there you will find my Instagram profile link. From there you can directly DM me your problem. I will easily help you with that one. Okay. So now let's do this one. So what they have said: prove that if x and y are odd positive integer, then x² plus y² is even but not divisible by 4. Actually, this one is a very tricky question. Okay, so let's try this one. Before starting this one, I want to show something. Odd positive integer. There are various ways or various form of representing odd positive integer, like 2m plus 1, 4m plus 1, 4m plus 3, and so on. But the better it will be easily to solve if you take the smallest one. If you take smallest one, it will take less time to reach your answer. Okay, so let's take 2m plus 1, that format. Okay, if x and y are odd positive integer, so let's say let x equal to 2m plus 1 and y equal to 2n plus 1. Now what they say, x² plus y². So let's do with the left hand side. So let's do what they asked in option: 2m plus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. Okay, 2m plus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. 4m square plus 4m plus 1 plus 4m square plus 4n plus 1. Okay, now let's take common. 4m square plus n square plus m plus n plus 2. Okay, now have you done this one up to this one? Now carefully look what they have said. X square and y square are odd positive integer. So x and y are odd, because if we divide x by 2, we will get 1 as remainder. Similarly, 1 is remainder in y also. So x and y are odd positive integer. But they have said x² plus y² is equal. So x² plus y². So this is the final result of x² plus y². And if we divide x² and y below x² and y² by 2, we will get this one easily divisible by 2. That means x² and y² is 7. Done. Wait, not done, but not divisible by 4. Actually, many of the students skip this part. They come up to this one, then they write its answer. But don't forget, don't read the question properly. But not divisible by 4. So x² plus y² is this one. So if we, since they said not divisible by 4, so if we divide x² plus y² by 4, then so let's say divide. Don't do this one. I'm just showing this one for your understanding. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. So 4 into this whole bracket, divide by 4 plus 2 into this one. This 4 get cancelled out, but this one remain as half. So this means x² plus y² is not divisible by 4, because there is a remainder where half is there. So x² plus y² is even but not divisible by 4. Okay, so if you want more solution of this topic, do comment or directly go to my Instagram profile. You just text me or comment me anywhere. You can just comment, post this one, post your particular problem. I'll be available there to show you. Okay, thank you everyone.